everybody, it's Queso here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Terrifier Art the Clown from Spirit Halloween. This guy I've been looking everywhere for. And when I say everything, I mean literally everything. Looking everywhere for him. But when we found him, it was a great find at local Spirit. So let's get into the unboxing, review, and demo. Okay, so I got him out of the box, and here he is, his face and everything. I'm gonna get this all out of the box and show you everything that's in here. This is everything out of the box. We've got his glasses. No idea what this is. We've got the two leg styrofoam, the mech. We've got the waving hand. There's the little mech inside of the waving hand. Cord. There's the hand with the blowhorn. This is actually metal. Can't really hear it, but I promise you it is. Sunflower glasses. Oh, got two poles. Little piece of that red stuff, and I have no idea what that is. The base, two more poles. We've got the shoes, clothing, head. Let's get a good look at that head. That's an amazing sculpted head, in my opinion. I really like it with the teeth. The eye actually came out of this guy earlier, so we had to glue it back on. There, I'm guessing, is the chest piece? The back piece, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, here's all of the, oh, and the AC adapter and the instructions. But yeah, this is about everything that came in the box. I might be missing something. Nothing else in there, so yep. That's everything. Future Queso here. That little black bag that you saw was actually a sandbag. Yeah. So if anybody's wondering, that's what that is. Next, the shoes. It doesn't actually say which one to put it on. These shoes are very good quality. Like, if I can get the shoes on, then I'll see good quality. But I'm not disappointed by them at all. They're really sturdy and they're really good. But that's the shoes. Next is the foam. Just slide the foam on easy like so. Inside the other one. Next is the costume. This costume is actually a lot better quality than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little cheaper, but it's really good quality. And I just need to get this white one on. And that's all it says for right now. And yeah, that's the clothing part of the bottom part of, I don't even know what to say anymore. Now, we're gonna put on the mech. This is definitely not a towering prop, but it's definitely taller than me. I don't know why it seems so tall to me though, because he's only 6'2". And Captain Kenny Dan and all those other animatronics are a lot shorter than that. But yeah, let's just attach that mech. Go in. Yep, there we go. I haven't had any problems yet, and I promise you that will probably change very soon. Like incredibly soon. Next we have to attach this hip thing, which is kind of hard to see. But yeah, you're just gonna attach that onto the back like this. Yep, just like so. It's a little hard to get on, but that's fine. Now we have to pull the costume up. This is gonna be a field day. Totally. Hey, actually, this is not going too bad. But, come on, go well. And I'm just gonna hook all these little parts together so it just holds on for now. Next, it says to thread the right arm all the way through and hook it on. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I put his arm through the costume. That's actually real metal, which is very cool, but sadly, this does not actually honk. It's just plastic. Yeah, I'm gonna thread the actual waving hand arm through Art the Clown, and then you'll see the waving hand. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, bye. I got his right arm in. Yeah. So there's the little piece right through there. That's what's going to make it work. But yeah, there's his right arm. Pretty sure the next thing we have to do is connect the head. Okay, everybody, it's head time. So let's put on the head. Yep, there's the head. I don't know if I will pull this back, but it looks like he has a lot of broken necks, as you can see up there. He definitely looks like he broke his neck or something. I don't know, it just doesn't look right. But the next thing to do is the neck ruffle. So, neck ruffle, collar, tomato, whatever. Yeah. So, yeah, there's his head and his neck ruffle and everything. I'm just gonna connect some, well, not some, a lot of wires. Too many to count, but yeah, after that everything should be ready, and I'll give you a demo with the sunflower glass on and off. Here's a demo without the glasses. In the demo, the glasses on. Let's put the glasses on this sucker. Put them on, buddy. Bro. Okay, there you go. There's your demo. Go, okay. I'll give you another one. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like, hit subscribe. My glasses are falling. But make sure to smash that like. I had a lot of fun filming today's video. It's been Queso. Keep it real. Peace.